In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change labels in Microsoft Planner. Labels in Planner are the color-coded tags you can apply to tasks. Planner includes up to 25 labels, and you can rename them to match your workflow, like priorities, departments, or stages. The key thing to know is that labels are renamed from inside a task, and once you rename a label, that new name applies across every task in the same plan. Start by opening Microsoft Planner and going to the plan where you want to make the change. In this example, you will navigate into your project management plan, so you are viewing the board with your tasks. Next, open a task. You can click any existing task card, because label names are stored at the plan level, not tied to one specific task. When the task details window opens, look for the label area. Depending on what is already set up, you may see an option that says Add Label, or you may see a list of colored labels that already have names. Now click Add Label, or click directly on the existing labels to bring up the full label list. You will see the available color labels, including any that have already been renamed. Find the specific color label you want to change. In the walkthrough, the label being adjusted is the plum label, but you can choose any color you use in your plan. Hover your pointer over that label. When you hover, you will see a small pencil icon appear next to the label name. Click the pencil icon to edit. Type the new name you want for that label. Keep it short and clear so it is easy to read on task cards, especially when labels are displayed on the board. When you are done, press Enter to save, or click anywhere outside the label list. Planner saves the change immediately. After that, you can apply the renamed label to the task you opened, or close the task. As you move around your plan, you will notice the updated label name is now available everywhere in that plan, including on other tasks that already use that color label. If you want to confirm the change, open another task and check the label list again. You should see the updated name there as well. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.